we have a 32 by 30 foot yard here, and we're being asked how much topsoil do we need if we want to put 4 inches of topsoil on this. Here's a quick image of the situation we have. We have a 32 by 30 feet, and we want it 4 inches high. We think of this as a rectangular prism. To find the volume, we'd do the length times the width times the height. The issue here is we're given feet for 2 of the dimensions and inches for the 3rd dimension of inches. What we first need to do is translate 4 inches into feet. We'll multiply that by the conversion rate of inches into feet. 1 foot is 12 inches. This will convert 4 inches into feet. This will give us that it's 4/12 feet, or 1/3 of a foot. 4 inches is 1/3 of a foot. All right, so now we can find the volume of the topsoil. It's these 3 dimensions being multiplied by each other. It's 32 feet times 30 feet times 1/3 of a foot. You can first multiply the 1/3 times the 30 to get 10. 10 times 32 is 320, and we have 3 factors of feet for cubic feet. All right, now we know we have 320 cubic feet. We need to translate those cubic feet into cubic yards. All right, in order to translate cubic feet into cubic yards, we take this linear conversion rate of yards into feet, and we need to cube it. When we cube this conversion rate, what we'll get is the conversion rate for cubic yards into cubic feet. Again, when I'm cubing this, I'm cubing each of the coefficients and I'm cubing the units to get 1 cubic yard is 27 cubic feet. All right, so now I'm going to convert from the cubic feet into cubic yards. I'm multiplying by this conversion rate of 1 cubic yard to 27 cubic feet. My cubic feet cancel, and what I get here is 320 over 27 cubic yards. When I divide these two from each other, I get 11.85 cubic yards. So we've done the work of finding how many cubic yards we have. We now need to find out how much this will cost. All right, to find the cost, what I'm now going to do is take my 11.85 cubic yards and multiply it by this rate of $25 per cubic yard. Written as a rate, it's right here. I will cancel my yards when I do this, leaving me with just dollars as my unit. When I multiply 11.85 times 25, I get $296.25. Just to recap this complicated but important real-life example. If I'm going to find out how much topsoil I need in this 32 feet by 30 foot yard with 4 inches, I first need to convert the inches into feet. Once I've converted the inches into feet, I can multiply these 3 dimensions to get the volume of topsoil I need. I find out that it's 320 cubic feet. To translate those cubic feet into cubic yards, I need to take the linear rate of 1 yard is 3 feet and turn it into a 3-dimensional rate. What I do is I cube that rate, taking 1 yard to 3 feet, cubing it to get 1 cubic yard is 27 cubic feet. Once I've done that, I now can multiply that to find that my 320 cubic feet is 11.85 cubic yards. Finally, all I need to do then is take my cubic yards and multiply it by the rate of $25 per yard to get the final cost of $296.25.